Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect summertime pina colada. I'm going to start with 25 ml coconut cream, 15 ml panache tropical, mango and pineapple sugar syrup. We're then going to add around 125 ml pineapple juice. $35 ml Bacardi and 25 ml Malibu. Icy shaker and icy glass. Give it a good shake. We're going to garnish that with a wedge of pineapple, some whipped cream, a couple of pineapple leaves, and we're just going to finish it off with some mango crunch. And last but not least, a straw. And there you have it, the perfect pina colada.